Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is June 13th, 2025, and in this quick video, we're going to look at the latest update on Bigbear.AI Holdings, that's BBAI, and talk about a basic trading strategy you can consider based on its current setup. So, BBAI has been gaining attention lately, especially among retail traders. As of today, the stock is trading around the $2.25 mark after showing a mild uptick in the last couple of sessions. This movement comes after recent news around potential AI integration deals with defense and logistics partners, which sparked renewed interest. Now, if we look at the technicals, BBAI is still showing a lot of volatility, typical for small-cap AI stocks. The 50-day moving average is currently acting as a key resistance, and the RSI is hovering near 55, which means it's not yet overbought, but momentum is definitely picking up. For those thinking about a short-term trade, here's a basic strategy. Consider setting a buy limit order near $2.10, which is close to its recent support level. Watch for a breakout above $2.40 with volume that could signal strong upward movement. However, always protect your capital. A tight stop loss at around $1.95 can help you manage risk if the price reverses. Remember, BBAI is still a speculative play. So, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a financial advisor before investing. That's it for today's quick update. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you holding BBAI or watching from the sidelines? Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.